So we bought a farm with 3 barns in the garage, birds in the country to start a homestead. This is the awesome view of the winter. We are beginning of February 2022, and this house will have a complete makeover over the years. We have acres of fields and wood. This is the view from the back, from the wood actually. And we've been going for a snowshoe ride, me and my husband. Back in September, we bought the farm and it was still summer, so you can see all the grass. It's a different view. So this is why I wanted to share the fields and the view in the summer. This is my husband walking the land. My dad is driving the 4 wheels, so I'm just filming, and we can see the 3 barns there. Plus there's a horse stable. Inside the barn now, you can see that this is old and it needs lots of cleaning, lots of love, but this will be a workshop. We will clean it up and fix it, and I'm gonna do my handmade soaps there, woodworking, and creative projects of all kinds. Moving forward with the barns, this is the second and the third barn. So one will be for my husband's carpentry work, and the third will be for animals actually. About the horse stable, we are not sure yet what we're gonna do with that structure. Inside the house now, this is the basement, and this is where I'm gonna have my junk journal workshop. This is the as-is. This is with all the boxes. They are stacked 3, 4, 5 on top of each others. There's almost nowhere to move between the boxes. Before moving the boxes, we painted the walls white, and we removed the carpet and did the hardwood floor. So it's all clean now. And I can start placing some laces and some furnitures. So consider this as a before. I'm finishing this video with some inspiring pictures that I took on Pinterest. This is the style I like, and hopefully I'll be able to build one of those on my homestead. So stay tuned to see how it progresses.